Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Kahn, and I'm here in the manufacturing plant where all my products are made. I want to give you a behind-the-scenes tour to show you how we make my products so you can be as confident as I am that they're safe, powerful, and effective. Step 1. When the raw material ingredient arrives at the facility, we first need to make sure it really is what our suppliers say it is. For instance, if we order magnesium, we test to verify they ship magnesium. Then we further test to ensure it has zero issues with harmful bacteria or heavy metal levels. Why? I want proof from the start that you're getting clean, safe ingredients. This step exceeds industry standards, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Then comes step 2. Once all the raw materials pass this first step of quality control, they're weighed individually so the right ingredients in the right amounts end up in your supplements. They're blended in specialized machines to make sure you get the same product each and every time. During step 3, the product is packaged and goes to the lab for its final round of testing. In this stage, we confirm that what's on the label is in the product and retest to ensure nothing unexpected has snuck in. Now, testing before, during, and after might seem redundant, but we want to be absolutely certain that you can trust these products. By the way, if you get your supplements somewhere else, there's a chance they may not have been tested at all. Now, I use these products myself, and I also recommend them to my family and friends and my children. Most importantly, I share them with you, knowing you'll see powerful results in your own health.